Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today start Salesforce admin intro questions. Very important video. Start the questions. First questions. Define company profiles. The company profiles contain core the information for you the organization within the Salesforce, some of which is captures during the internal system sign up and include the following company information and primary contact details, default language, locate and time zones, reliance, information physical year settings. How to get security token in the salesforce.coms. It's case sensitive alphanumeric code that is tied to your the password. When your passwords is reset, your the security token is also reset. Next questions. What is the physical year in Salesforce? Salesforce can accom- accommodate and organization is unique fiscal year start month fiscal year the use to determine month include in quarter quarterly and annual forecast and reports. Next questions. What is a independent pick list? Dependent pick list is custom or multi-select pick list for which the valid value depend on the value of the another's feeds call on the controlling feeds. What is the database.coms? Database.com is Salesforce primary enterprise database storage. It's built to store data. Thought the clouds. Next questions. How many types of the portals are available in Salesforce? There are there were three portals: Salesforce customers portals, Salesforce partners portals, and self-service portals. Next questions. What is the app in Salesforce? App is a collection of the items that is work together to survey of particular function. Salesforce app come into flowers, classic and lightning. Next questions. Different type of the object in salesforce.coms. Salesforce support several different type of the object. There are the standard object and custom object. External object, platform, event, and big object. What is the an object in Salesforce? Object are database table that allow you to store data specific to the organization Salesforce. Two type of the of object in Salesforce standard and customs. Next questions. What are the different types that a standard fields records name can have? Standard fields records name can have data type of the either auto the number of the text fields with the limit of 18 charts. Next questions. What is the pick list bucket? Sorry, what is a bucket fields in reports? Bucket fields lets you group related reports together by range and segment without the use of the complex formulas and custom fields. Bucketings can thus be used to group filters, arrange reports data. Next questions. What are the dynamic dashboards? Can dynamic dashboards be the schedulers? Dynamic dashboards are the used to the display information which of specific users. You can use dynamic dashboards when you want to the show users that specific data and part of particular users such as a personal quota and sales number of the case closer leads converted. Next questions. How many custom fields can I created in an object? Depending on the Salesforce editions, maximum limit 100 in the external and professionals edition, 500 in enterprise, 800 is the unlimited and 500 is the developer editions. Next question. What is a profile? Profile define how user access object and data and what they can do within the applications. When you create users, you assign a profile to each one. Next questions. What is a role? Role are defined so as to increase the data visibility and particular user has role hierarchy. Allow the users sitting in higher level have access of records owned by users having rows lower in the hierarchy. Next questions. What are the governor limits in Salesforce? Salesforce, it is the governor limits which control how too much data or how many records you can store in this share the database. Why? Because Salesforce is based on the concept of the multi-talent architectures. Next questions. What is the sandbox ORG? What are the different type of the sandbox in Salesforce? Sandbox is a copy of the productions environment ORG used to for testing and development process. A type of the sandbox are developers pro, copy, full, and next question. Can you the edit and Apex triggers Apex class and in productions environment? Can you the edit Visual Force page in the productions environment? No, it is not possible to edit the Apex classes and trigger directly in production environment. Next questions. What is the tab in Salesforce? Tab in Salesforce help users view the information at a glance at a display the data of the object and other web content in the applications. Next question. Which example of the custom fields type? Auto numbers, exhaust currency, date and times, formula, number of the parents' phones, pick list text, look up the relationship, master details relationship. Next questions. What are the standard and custom fields in the Salesforce? Standard fields. They are for the standard fields in every custom object that are the created by last modified by owner and the fields created at the time of the creation of the object. These fields cannot be deleted or edited. They are always required for the standard object. The fields which are the present by the default in them and cannot be deleted from the standard object are the standard fields. Custom object. The custom fields which are the added by the admin developers to meet the business requirement of any organization, they may or may not be required. Thank you, friends. Very important video and Salesforce admin related intro questions. So basic questions. So helpful the intro level questions. Please my channel like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.